Students, in today's maths class, we will discuss the next types related to the topic circles, tangents and intersecting chords. So first of all, let's have a look on the objectives of today's class. Students, let's have a look on the objectives of today's class. Today, we will do these two objectives, that are objective number 7 and objective number 8. Objective number 7 is equal chords subtends equal angle at center, and objective number 8 is a line drawn through center of a circle is always perpendicular bisector of the chord. Now children, we will do their application. Before doing the application of first objective, first of all, let's have a look on the proof. So in this we will prove that in a circle, equal chords subtend equal angle at the center of the circle. See, there are two chords AB and CD. We will prove that these both angles, that is angle AOB, is equals to angle COT. Proof is in the given figure, AB is equals to CD because they are equal chords, and OB is equals to OC because these both are the radius of the given circle, so they will be equal. And also OA and OD is also the radius of the circle, so they both will be equal. So by side rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle OCD. Therefore by CP-CTC rule, angle AOB is equals to angle COT, hence proved. Now children, we will do the application of this result. See the statement. Statement is, in the given figure, chord AB and chord BC are equal. These both chords AB and BC are equal in length. If angle AOB is equals to 48 degree, then find angle BOC. So this is the statement. Now let's have a look on the solution. Solution is, in the given figure, angle 1 is equals to 48 degree. This is given to us, and also chord AB, length of chord AB and length of chord BC will be equal because this is given to us in this statement. Here it is given that both lengths are equal. Therefore angle 1 is equals to angle 2 because just now we have done one result, that is equal chord subtends equal angle at the center. Hence angle BOC will also be 48 degree. This angle will also be of 48 degree. So this is the answer of the given statement. Students, see the statement. Statement is, the distance between 2 points A and B is 6 cm. Distance between 2 points is given to us, that is 6 cm. A circle of radius 5 cm is drawn. Radius of circle is given, that is R, and which is 5 cm, is drawn to pass through the points A and B. Find the distance of AB from the center of the circle. See what is given to us and what we have to find. There are 2 points A and B. The distance between 2 points is given to us. This is 6 cm, means length of AB is 6 cm. A circle of radius 5 cm. This one OB is the radius of the circle which is given to us, that is 5 cm. Is drawn to pass through the points A and B. Circle must pass from the points A and B. Find the distance of AB from the center of the circle. We have to find the distance of AB from center. It means we have to find the length of OP. Now let's start with the solution. Solution is, in the figure, AB equals to 6 cm. Length of AB is 6 cm. Therefore PB will be 3 cm because perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. This is the perpendicular, it bisects the chord. Total length is 6 cm, so this will be 3. This will also be 3. Now in right angle triangle, OPB is a right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. OB square equals to PB square plus OP square. Put the values, their value, OB square value and PB square value. Now do the subtraction. Shift this square, this will become square root. From here we'll get length of OP as 4 cm. So this is the distance of chord AB from the center. Students, today we have done sums related to these both concepts, and I hope that both concepts are clear to you, and now you will be able to solve the sums related to both concepts. Thank you and have a nice day.